Alright, hello everyone. Today we are here for the event at Thomasville here. It was originally supposed to be a race, but it's impossible to pass here, so we are here for a Demolition Derby for the Thomasville Tumble. We got box goal here, so we're gonna get ready. Here we go. Green flag out in the air. We are off in the Demolition Derby here. Now, I will say if there is a knockout rather quickly, then we will have rounds. But if it takes a little bit, we won't. So like first 7 minutes, and there's a knockout, we will have multiple rounds. But best 2 out of 3 or something. But or if that second knockout, it's going, then maybe first 3. But yeah. So if you get stuck on a wall for 15 seconds, if you get pinned and you're stuck, or you lose the tire and you're stuck or something for 10 seconds, and you can't move on in either of those situations, you are out. If you leave the box, you are out. And then if what's the other thing? Oh yeah, if you lose all 4 of your wheels, you're out, and we are upside down. 2, 3 is gonna flip us back over. Shouldn't make a rule if you flip X amount of times, you're out, but whatever. Oh, Bloxy's gonna miss the contact there. We're gonna slow him up here. We're gonna try to back him up a little bit. Get a turn around. Yeah, this is easier for somebody to join. It won't be laps down. You just kind of join and try to hit people. So yeah, we're gonna go to the other side of the arena. Oh, this might be if we get it lined up. Oh, but we missed. Both of us miss. The opponent, and now he's gonna get a good hit here, but he misses as well again. Waxicola cannot get to us for the life of him here. Continuously missing his opponent. Oh my goodness. Okay, now we're both trying to land a blow. Get one to Bloxy here. And he's going to miss us again, unsurprisingly, because he just cannot seem to get a hit on us. Oh, we're stuck. That's not good. Oh, finally gets a hit. Oh! He just flexed. He just flew off of that. What the heck? Oh my gosh. What was that? And now contact. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're gonna do multiple rounds here. First to 3. Alright, well, that was an unfortunate end to the first event. First round, I should say. Back up, and we are nowhere close to each other. Foxy waits for us. We flew over the wall. That was the problem. That's why we were out. So Bloxy has 1 point on the board. It's going to be first to 3 points. Now, I don't really know the strategy here for a Demolition Derby. Now, can we punt him out? Not quite. We are going to be on the run here. So, first caution-free event. Since Backstretch Battles, I think. This is the Backstretch Battles Cup Series, and we now have a random dude here. He's going to join. That could make things a little interesting here. We got a random dude in the number 20 yellow car. Now, that could very well make things interesting here. If he knocks you out, he's not a part of Acres, so if he knocks you out, that is not going to be a disqualification, or it's not going to give the opponent points. So that blocks you up. Oh boy. T-bone out, and now we're just stuck. Pushing one another there. See, I don't know what's better, better turning or better speed. Probably better turning. I mean, I guess it depends on the situation, but yeah. Now, can he line it up, get the hit? He does. Oh, we're getting close to exiting. Not quite there. We both avoid each other. Can we get over there to hit him out? Not quite. We miss. You can see why I missed this. These cars are hard to turn. He's in the fence. There's a floating dude. What the heck? We got to fly over. That's interesting for sure. Contact. And we are fighting one another. Oh boy. Contact. And some pretty good contact. Oh, we got a little airborne there. We could have gotten stuck on the wall, so it was a good thing there that we didn't. Oh, no, 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 no. Boy, that was close to leaving the arena. I would have handed Bloxy at another point. And, oh, he stayed in. I was trying to bait him. It's going to be a good strategy there just to bait people out of the arena. It's probably a pretty easy strategy to win. It's risky, but a good strategy for sure. Ooh, big contact there. Doesn't look like any suspension damage to any of us, which is good. Well, it's bad if you're in it for one of us. And Bloxy barely stayed in. And zoom out, try to review that, but yeah, he's good. He's playing it safe. He's kind of caught on to the strategy, trying to bait people. Not seeing him do it himself. Yeah, that was a pretty good hit. Another good hit right there from us. Tap as we both kind of collide with each other there. He's going to back out. Try to get a hit lined up at us. He's definitely appears to be the aggressor here. We are seemingly doing better. That makes sense. Where'd he go? Oh, he's back there. How did he not? Okay. Literally all he has to do is turn a little bit. On the edge. Oh, did he go out? I'm going to check the replay when I edit the video. It's going to be under review, so points are going to be questionable here, but that very well could have been a point for us. I think he did go past, but oh, he's fun. Oh, do we do suspension damage to him? Oh, I thought I saw a tire up there. Oh boy, that could have been bad if that thing wasn't there now. That's how we got flipped out of the park in the last one. Could have been bad there. Both of us trying to get a good hit lined up. There it is. There's some contact. Back up, try to get to him. Not going to get there. Pull J turn. Once again, we're going to go for the baiting tactic. Not really going to work. Doesn't look like it will anyway. There's some contact, and he stays in. I think baiting somebody else is probably the best way to get the win. Probably going to be the easiest way here. Pinching is over. There it is. He's over. And that's going to be a point for us. That seems to be another thing. If we can get them pinched there, that might be a good spot. Alright. Alright, it's gonna go to sudden death. Next point wins. They're gonna line up forward for this one. Oh, I say first to three, it's best of three. That is jumping the start, but okay. And we are off. Oh, he missed each other. Oh, whoa, big contact there. Watsy up and over already on the start. Oh, this could be bad. Oh, there it is. Watsy wins. Well, there it is. We can't get 4 in a row. We got 3 in a row, but dang it. Yeah, well, we could get 4. Could get 4 circuit races in a row, I guess, because this was not technically a race, but it is worth points. So we're locked in the playoffs. It's going to shrink my points lead down, but whatever. So that's going to do it for this video, for this event, guys. If you want to see more, leave a like and subscribe. Do all that stuff. See you in the next one. Goodbye.